Today I'd like to walk you through the SYS-AIR air filter. The SYS-AIR is a sustainer-based, portable, powered air filtration system. It is in a sustainer, so therefore we can stack it on top of other sustainers, interlatch them. We can put it on wheels such as the SYS roll, the SYS cart, or even on top of a CT dust extractor. In fact, these are perfect to be paired when used with a CT dust extractor to help capture that last bit of airborne dust particle. Now the unit itself does have a motor and impeller inside that's going to draw air through a two-stage, that is a two-filter system. Inside this door is the primary filter. This is responsible for catching a vast majority of the larger particles. And then behind that is the main filter. And this unit, this is a HEPA unit. This is going to be a HEPA main filter. In the top of the sustainer is the power cord. Power cord can be brought out through the side here, so you can close the lid once again. And then we will turn to more of the business side and take a look at the control panel. Here's the main control panel. Here we will find the on-off switch. We'll find a high-low setting switch. We'll also see an auxiliary outlet for additional power. When I turn the main power switch on, this light will illuminate green. Now currently I'm in the low setting, which is one line. It also has an additional high setting, which is two lines. The SYS-AIR has three exhaust areas. It'll exhaust air through the front as well as both sides. This is a multi-directional exhaust, which will help cut down on any air currents in the room. The SYS-AIR can be used on the shop or the job site, either left on the floor or on a work surface such as the MFT table. You can leave it on top of a CT dust extractor or even on a stack of sustainers. There's also a ceiling mounting hardware kit available to use in a shop situation. On a job site situation, sometimes you need to have very concentrated direct extraction for the airborne particles. There is an additional hose that can be mounted to the intake side with a plenum to help capture that dust. The SYS-AIR weighs in at about 22 pounds or 10 kilograms and has an IP rating of 24. The SYS-AIR is a portable air filter system, great for the job site or in the shop.